Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be, showing you guys an amazing application which provides you with a free alternative number, and I'll be showing you guys what are the errors which are right now occurring in this application, and I'll be giving you guys ways to solve the errors. Okay, so guys, the application which I'm going to show you today is known as Nextplus phone TextPlus call application. Well, this is from the TextPlus company. TextPlus is an application which I have posted a lot of videos on recently. If you are a regular watcher on my channel, you should know it. Well, if you are here instead to know about how to solve the TextPlus error solutions, such as the TextPlus sign up error, then just pause this video and go to the description or the first comment. I would have pinned a comment. Go check out the comment there. I would have given you the link for this video, which will show you guys to solve the TextPlus errors. So you can go watch that video in order to solve the TextPlus errors. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. Well, for people who are new to this channel, my channel mainly focuses on solving the problems occurring in the technical applications, and nowadays I'm recently focusing on the virtual number providing applications such as TextNow, TextPlus, NextPlus, TextMe, Second Line, etc. So guys, this is the TextPlus application, and if you are not yet installed this application like me, then just go click on the install button, which will let us install this application. Well, we are right now waiting for it to complete the download. Now it's installing. It's still installing. Okay, right now it has been successfully installed in my mobile. Guys, before quitting this video, please go take a look at the description or the comment. There will be a lot of important videos which will help you a lot. So please go take a look at that. Now this is the application. Well, it's good. Right now, I actually recently uninstalled this application and I have again installed this application. I already have an account, but right now the people are facing with three main problems in the Nextplus application. Well, the three main problems are: when you're going to choose your number, you after successfully getting a number, you should get a notification like this. But nowadays, I mean, this is from the Nextplus application. I do not have a screenshot currently in possession of the Nextplus application. Well, but both of it has the same user interface. So I showed you guys the image. So right now when the users are going to choose their numbers, they are promptly given with this error: oops, something went wrong, please check your connection and try again. And even if you guys get a number, well, this is only screenshot I have from the Nextplus application. So guys, even if you have even if you successfully obtain a number like this, your account is going to get suspended immediately or within a day. And like, not only a number, but your entire account is going to get suspended, even if you are a paid user or a free user, it doesn't matter. Well, the reason for this occurring is because of the TextPlus or Nextplus the update. If you want to learn more about this update, then please go take a look at this video. This video's link I'll try to post in the description and the first comment. If it's not posted, then please go inside my channel and please go take a look at this video. Well, with this I covered one error. I have briefed you about one error. The second error is when you are actually making an application. Well, I'll make a new application along with you right now. So as we can see, there is no option to make an account with just using an email. There are only four options right now, and the Android version of Nextplus application. It is signed in with Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Yahoo. Well, let me wait. Okay, I guess my account has been signed in. But wait, okay. The thing is that both the TextPlus and the Nextplus applications have the same account database, I guess. So that's why it's happening. You could try using a different email ID. Now let us wait for us to get a number. Wow. Well, this is working.
Here's the difference.
Well, I have successfully obtained a number. This wasn't supposed to happen. Well, it's funny. But guys, if you're not able to obtain a number as easily as me, well, the steps what you could do is that number one, navigate to any VPN service which provide you with the Romania IP address. Well, I'm using IP Vanish. It is a paid VPN. I do not recommend it for the people who want to depend it for free. All you have to do is just go and connect to Romania. Once you connected, let's wait for it to get connected. Well, once the VPN is connected, as you can see, I have the VPN symbol on top. Once it's connected, all you have to do is that go back to the Nextplus application, long press on it, click on this I button over here. It will take you to the settings page. Here, just go to the settings, storage, clear your data and clear your caches. And once again, go inside the application. It will be opened as a fresh application. Well, the application is working for me right now, so I'm not going to do any of the steps, but I'm telling for you guys, open the application, follow the same steps which I did in the video, and boom, you will get a Nextplus number like me. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was helpful to you, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And like I told before, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button and the bell button, you do subscribe button. And guys, well, this video for me, the error got resolved very easily. For you, it may not be the same matter. So guys, if you have any queries, then please feel free to leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you. So guys, once again, thanks for watching my video until the end. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, it's me Surya Prakash signing off. Bye.